Okay. So anyways, this live trade room is strictly for educational purposes only. I do not provide any type of signal services whatsoever. I merely illustrate how I trade the KTC basic strategy. It's basically based on price action. Again, I am not a professional trader. I am not licensed, nor am I certified, nor am I a licensed financial advisor. I'm just a retail trader like everyone else. However, you may copy my trades at your own discretion, but I am not liable for any losses that you may incur on your evaluation account or on your PA, or what we call a performance account or funded account. So I am not responsible or liable for any losses that you may incur because you copied my trades. Usually what I trade during the morning session is either an evaluation or a sim account. I trade a sim account because just going up. I trade a sim account because I already reached my profit target on either my evaluation. Okay, so any past performance is not indicative of future results. That was just a lot of option there. Oh, that down here, it's a tick counter. It's basically what they call a tick strike. Anyways, let me see if I can get my chart here. Okay, we're back at that. So we had the opening there, and I was hoping to catch that move to the upside, but they brought it back down. That's the reason why. I didn't quite get up there again. That move is supposed to be over by, where am I here? I'm trying to see where I am. Oh, yeah, it did move up there. No, it didn't. So anyways, it was -1. Yeah, that's 2 plus 2. Yeah. You're stuck at +1 deviation. So basically that's gonna be ranging right now, if that's the case. They didn't really quite bring it up to well, now they are. There it is. Bringing that up, trying to get it to +2 deviation. That's what I wanted to see, but I guess they never got it. So I'm looking at this to get up to maybe resistance 1. You see it up there? There it is. Because that's right at what we call the +2 deviation of the VWAP deviation. So that's where we're taking it up most likely. There was a good entry right here. If you were basing it again, I don't try to get into this because it's just too wild right now. Again, it looks like they're going to get up there.
Order submitted.
Didn't fill my target. So let's see who's going to bring it up here. That's good. I didn't get filled. As you can see, that's why it's so erratic. Let's see if they can bring it up now.
Order filled. Target filled.
I got most of my loss back.
That my first trade, 150.
Good. So I took it right here where they had a lot of pullback. Bouncing off the moving average there, the yellow moving average. Like I said, I'm gonna try and get this into the +2 deviation. That's where they're going now. And I should have just went over there instead of putting it bounce off the. I think I'll probably bounce off here on the pivot. Let's see, they bring it back up. Pivot is right next to the mid band, so
Order submitted.
oh, too late.
Order submitted. Order filled.
They built a good, what you call it, a support level right there. Okay, so they broke that top, so we have a higher high. I see they're gonna follow through, or they're gonna do something last week again. They're just not gonna follow through. Or since this whole week they've been doing that. See, same thing again. Let's see if the support level will hold.
Stop
No,
filled.
that time it didn't. Man. Now let's then bring it up now. So only a loss of 172. Okay. I'm not gonna play around. What are they doing right now? It's all they're not following through again. They hit a higher high, they brought it all the way down. Right? Same thing, what they've been doing yesterday, this whole week. Creating higher highs, see that this incremental, then they bring it down, but then again, they're creating higher lows. This one, they brought a higher high, but they never created, they went right through. So now they created a lower low here. Let's see what they're gonna do here. They're gonna create another higher high.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Yep, and that following through. So now we do create a lower low there, or lower high, I mean. So let's see, they break this low here and pull back and then come back down. Looks like they're gonna try to get back into the VWAP here. Oh no, minus the +1 deviation. Let's see what they do here. See it pull back into that. Nope, not quite. Just bring it all the way down. Oh, they had that pullback before. Yeah. So here they had pullback. Just wait for the reversal bar. in the mid band.
Order submitted.
Let's see if this price action is gonna follow. Look, they just bring it all the way, now they're gonna bring it all the way to the other side. You see the band here, the Keltner band, it's really narrow. I mean, that means that the what was I gonna say? It's really, it's not that volatile. It's just going up and down. See that? It's really narrow. And they're just going from one outer band to the next outer band.
Order canceled.
I went for a short. I noticed that, yeah, it's really narrow. It's just touching the upper and the lower bands.
Yeah, but the bands are so narrow that
Yeah. Come on, few more ticks. Okay, got my second trade. Got my target there.
you're trading NQ or MNQ.
MNQ,
Okay.
MNQ now.
Yeah,
I joined the club.
yeah, it's too wild to be trading NQ. So here we're gonna be testing this lower here. Let's see what it breaks and then gives us a pullback again. Looks like we'll be trying to get back down to the minus or plus one deviation. Let's see what's gonna do that. Oh, I lost my okay, I lost my connection. That's why it's kind of stopped. So I don't know where it is now. There we go. Okay, there. There's the pullback.
Order
It's
filled.
moving so fast that I see if I can get down here. As long as we're getting lower lows there or lower highs there, I'll be okay with it. Here, let's try. Let's see what's going to do here at the mid band. So we're getting lower highs. That's good. You're not really going straight down. There's just big up and down, very grindy, very grindy behavior. Just grinding down, not really straight down. We're hitting a minus plus one deviations out. They're bouncing out that plus one.
Stop filled.
Yep, they bounced it off the plus one deviation. Right there. Didn't really break that, broke it here, then we had a little higher low right away. Bounced off the, we had a minus two deviation there, or minus one, or plus one, you know, my deviations mixed up, or at the plus one deviation. Very erratic. Look how narrow that southern channel is. They're just not going up and down that much. They're just going up and down, very narrow. So there's really no
Just really
momentum.
grinding. Yeah.
Yeah, there's no momentum. It's just going up and down.
Order filled.
Let's see if they go through with this. If not, then we'll just, let's see. Yeah, there's really no, I thought they're gonna try to bring this up. No,
Stop filled.
no momentum whatsoever.
No energy.
No. They're just going up and down that, from one end of the upper band to the lower band. Where am I at here? 633. I'm just gonna wait. It's getting chopped out. So I already tried to take those trades. They want to go, they want to follow through. So I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, let's see around 10.
I'd wait until 10:30.
Uh,
You need really a bigger stop on this thing. Because of the way it's just going up and down. You need a bigger stop.
I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh shoot, it didn't follow up on that pullback.
Yeah, it's not.
Oh, here we go, still alive.
Order filled.
She's gonna follow through here. I'm gonna put this.
Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Couldn't move my profit target. It was moving too fast. So we're testing the high of the day. Yeah, you see now we're getting higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, there's a breakout here. We don't have a pullback. The only pullback we had is right here. It broke it, came back down, pulled back, and then it came back down here, but it never, if you had your stop right here, you would never been stopped, continue going up. Just really grindy behavior.
Yeah.
Really,
I just got lucky there. I almost got stopped for around 3 more ticks.
yeah. Here we go, testing that high. So we are headed to the +2 deviation. That's if it's gonna go straight there, or will get a.
Order submitted.
And there's hardly any momentum. Just try and break that thing. It doesn't want to.
Oh, that was too fast. That was so strong.
Order canceled.
Yep. Yeah, the way they're moving this thing, look at that. You can't even catch a trade on that one. There was no pullback. Here's the pullback, but most likely might pull back to the mid band.
Okay. Oh, this is a massive drop. Didn't see that coming. Ooh.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
No, it might get filled up there.
Here we go. Got it.
So they created a lower low here. And they started bringing it up. I think I'll test this high here. Man, they just
Stop filled.
they created a lower low. Exact same pattern that they've been doing this whole week. They created a lower low, basically a trap, bear trap, and bring it back down up. I had my take profit too far down. Should have just settled with that $100. Yeah, let me see where they're taking this now. They're again, they don't want to go past this +1 deviation. They're just keeping it above.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Look at that. Bring it down. Yeah, it's too erratic for me. And for micros, if you trade maybe one contract micros, maybe you can just See, because you can see these, we're getting higher lows, right? Let me try maybe two. Oh, there, it's too late. Look at how they blasted up. I was gonna bring maybe two contracts and just, there it is. I don't know how you're gonna get in that order. That's it. Too fast. If you had a pending order at some of the levels there, then you could have honestly get it. But then again, if you had it there, it would just go right past your pending order and not fill it. Sometimes I get one of those and it just goes so fast that it just doesn't even honor your pending order at all. That was too fast.
Order filled. Order submitted.
You know what? I don't trust this. They'll probably break it
Order
out
canceled.
and then bring it back out now. The way they're going.
Oh
They
my,
double
it's
top.
grinding here. Yeah,
No,
it's
yeah,
grinding.
they have a double top there, triple top.
Shoot. Come on, go back up. There you go. I got my scalp.
Stop filled.
Okay, I got some of my loss back at least.
Nice.
I just loaded up on the sales on RT. That's crazy.
It may go down,
Yeah.
man.
He's not honoring anything. No, it's just gonna, this is a pullback.
Yeah. Push, push, push. Whoever's on a
The-
short now.
Yeah,
Hope you'll get it.
they're still trying to make it up here. That's what they're trying to do. This is just a pullback.
Mm.
They're trying to get up here. They have to pass at least, if I'm looking at this, let's see it. Okay, there, they broke that. And they moved this pretty fast. So they
Yeah,
broke
that
this
was
low.
quick.
Yeah, right here.
So for those guys who went for a short, you got your scalp over there.
They just brought that down. Back to the, close to the minus or plus one deviation again. They're just going up and down those two deviation levels.
Order submitted.
Yep, they just brought it back up.
Order cancelled.
So they create a higher high. Now they're gonna bring it down, bring the, or break this lower. How about, look at that. There's really no, no structure at all.
Order filled.
Here we go. Do your drop.
Let's see if they can drop below this +1 deviation. They've been bouncing that deviation. Which they did again. They didn't want to go below that minus or +1 deviation. See if they can try it again. So we're getting lower low. We're getting a lower low here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Look how small that channel is. That Keltner channel from upper band to lower band, really tight. So might as well put my targets there.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't know. That's it. You think if you can time that trade going from one end of the band and just scalp that going down? Now let's see if we can scalp this going if it goes up. Because that's because that's what it's doing. It's just going up and down this band. Right?
Order submitted. Order filled.
I want to bring it down now. Opposite of what I just said. So now it's
Stop
see,
filled.
unbelievable.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, so now when they say that, now they do the opposite. That's good. That's good. I'm not trading any of my PAs.
A lot of chop this morning, coach.
No, man. No, look how narrow that, like I said, look how narrow that channel is. You can't
Yeah.
do anything with that. Even I tried to trade from here, like I said, from here, and hoping it's gonna get up there. No, it just came back down, created another lower low. After they created, that's basically another their bear trap and brought it back up like they're doing now. Yeah, they did the same thing. They had created over here. They broke this swing here. What did they do? Bring it down, create another lower low down. Now there's no structure in that.
No. Maybe better come back after lunch, coach.
Yeah. I'm just gonna buy Bunox has only got what that 90% off. I'll just get another evaluation. Again, once again, this morning session is really shot. The best
Yeah.
time to trade is usually what like I did when I hit that when I got that PA from Apex. I passed it in 2 hours and that was trading the lunchtime.
Mm-hmm.
You know, bring it down. Going up and down that very narrow channel.
Hey, coach.
Ish.
Hey, question.
Mm.
I see the market choppy, but is this, if I remember correctly, is this the institutions are still on holiday?
Yeah.
They come back in
Basically, yeah.
September?
Yeah, mid-September. They're still in summer break. So what's really trading right now is usually the algos.
Okay.
That's why it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it's rough. I see it.
No, they're not following through. There's no market structure. So whatever program they put in that algo that's what it's trading.
Yeah.
You can see it's not following through at all.
Have you tried the what you said yesterday, the reversal candles going after 15 ticks?
Yeah, what do you mean reversal candle or but like right here?
Like you mentioned,
See now they finally bring it down.
oh wow, look at that, yeah. When the candle reverses and you enter for 15 ticks, I think you mentioned that yesterday. Did you try that? So it works?
No, that was not on the reversal. It's basically on the. Yeah, I think that was the reversal. No, I haven't tried. In fact, that works best on whatchamacallit on Q on
NQ.
minis. Yeah.
Oh,
not
oh, okay.
not micros.
Right, okay. 'Cause I think you mentioned Karen does that, something.
Yeah, she was doing that. But right now it's so erratic. I don't know if you can get 15. Was it 15 ticks, right?
Yeah, you mentioned $75, so I'm assuming it's.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, well.
Okay, so where are we here? I have no idea. So we finally got below the -1 deviation, and that's where they're going now. They did it so clever right there. That's when they broke it right here. There's a good pullback you could have gotten there. I mean, I have no really no I can't really base it on price action anymore because there's no price action.
They got me. I was waiting for that to break that low point for so
Yeah.
long, and I finally got tired and took my profit. And then not even 20 seconds later,
You brought it down.
I hate that.
Yeah, so now they're gonna try getting. Let's see if they get down, at least down to the view up, or at least close to there. That's what they're trying to do. But they're doing in such a way that there's really no pattern to it. They're very erratic. You can just go see what levels they can go. Like for example, here.
Order submitted.
Right now, that yellow moving average is really up still above. So what are they gonna do? They still, yeah, I can't really base anything on this thing. They're gonna go top of that band and then come back down. It's so tight. And that's exactly how they're framing the price. It's really tight range. Look at went through my tip my what's my
Order filled.
finally filled it coming back up.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oh, wow. They never followed through in that.
Stop filled.
Created lower low again, and then they brought it up. I don't know how you can win on that.
It's whipping too much.
They created lower low again. Once again, they do that, brought it up. Yep. Might as well sit out until the afternoon.
Yeah.
It's just too wild.
I was doing micros and barely catching $20.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm like, oh,
Let me see how much I go. So I'm down 1,200 on this evaluation.
Yeah.
Let me see here. I don't know how much room I have left. Most likely none. Try to get my
coach, no trading on Monday. It's Labor Day.
yeah, none. The market closes at midday, 1 p.m. Eastern.
Okay.
Okay, where am I here? 85, 2, 3. Yep. Yeah, I'm pretty much blown in that account. So let me see. I'm gonna trade my PA during the afternoon.
There we go. Yeah.
Seems
Maybe-
like you
maybe-
really do good in the afternoon, coach.
Yeah, yeah. I'm probably just
What time do you usually trade?
I usually start looking around 12:30 p.m. Eastern.
Okay.
And like yesterday, they had a good trade up. I was able to get over 1,000 on micros.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I made. Yeah, in fact, I passed the evaluation on Apex on that one on just 2 hours. I was done.
Oh, that's great.
And
Uh,
just trading micros too.
The 25K?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I'll just trade my PA with maybe 2 contracts and see how it's going. Because since the PA, I just need maybe 200, 300. That's about it. I'm done. Wonder how many trades you got wiped out today.
Yeah, it's crazy. They took it all the way to the high of yesterday
Yeah.
after they tanked the market yesterday.
Yeah, exactly. And that news release earlier today was not even that significant of a move. At 8:30.
Man, I'm gonna have to start trading like Asia session. That was a great move on pre-market.
Yeah. Before they had the news. Yeah, exactly. That's
Yeah.
why. I think those are the best times to trade right now. Right around 7 p.m. East or 7 a.m. Eastern. You have that window of maybe 1 hour before they do a news release, but yeah. You get a good move on the 7 p.m. or 7 a.m. Eastern. So that's about, just avoid the New York morning session.
Yeah, no doubt.
So if I hit my profit target for the PA, then I'm gonna see if I can pass another evaluation. Depends if I'm gonna get a another 25K on Apex. Because those are the ones you can pass in one day. Or at least less than 5 days.
Right. And I guess on your PAs, we have to start recording our trades.
Not everyone, they just pick the one. I think they just select randomly. And if they do, just make sure that it's your hand, your computer, and it's you. That's all they want to see. That's you trading. That's it.
Hmm.
Which I mean, it's not a big deal for me, but because I'm recording right now.
Yeah, that's true.
I think, and the thing what I heard is through my like Coach Leah and Coach Karen is that they're saying that if you do it once, that's it. They only just require it for once. They want to make sure you're just trading your account.
Yeah.
Coach, you think they're trying to see if you're doing algos yourself?
They do, and you know what? They allow algos just as long as you're managing it.
Okay.
They don't like it when you just let it, you just leave you leave the computer on, you just let supposedly the bots or whatever you're using trade by itself. They want you to see you can use the bots or whatever algo program you're using, just as long as you're in front of the computer managing it.
Did you get a chance to check out what Ish was telling you yesterday? Chart Trader or something?
No, I haven't. Ish, did you send me that link? I don't know if he did.
Sorry. I
Yeah, that's
forgot.
what I thought.
I am promise you I'm gonna do today. And
Hey, Dale.
yeah.
Yeah, Dale just passes 25K. Congrats, Dale.
Hey, congrats. Awesome.
Congrats.
Okay, Ed's doing good in his sim. Good. When you you be doing what you call it, Ed? You gonna be doing your eval or just that? Who else is doing here? Anyone else? How many do I have in the room? Let me check. And was there anyone waiting? That I haven't been really looking at my room here. We have 14. Congrats, Dale. This is the first time you passed one, or you've been passing some before? What? I guess this is the first one you passed it using the what you call it, the strategy. Yeah, you just joined recently, right? Are you trading the strat or are you trading your own strat? Maybe that's the question. Dale. Yeah, this is going up again. Where are they here in terms of? Yeah, they're still at the +1 deviation. They're just leaving it there. They don't go past.
Submitted.
Okay, so we're at 10:30. So that's what it did. It's just basically reverse going up, back up again. So let's see if they get past this. How far up will get past it? Can't trade that one. That's pretty much shot. Yeah.
Jeez, they're making push for a new high again.
Yep. When are they gonna expand this, the range of that Keltner channel now, since now it's angling up?
Yeah, it's been hanging around R1 and R2
Yeah,
past
exactly. Yeah.
20, 30 minutes.
Well, if you guys, the ones who have the VWAP that I taught, it's within that one, +1 deviation. That's where they're just keeping it.
We'll have to learn that VWAP of yours.
Yeah, let me know. Ish uses it. Ish, you there?
Yes, it's the center of my trading.
Yeah.
Honestly, it is. I love those levels. I'm a take level profit trader.
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
ride the trend too much.
Right.
Once in a while I do, but these levels are key in markets like this for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like to stay long because you don't know when it's going to pull back and how far it's going to go. So I'd rather take profit and wait for it to go to the next level.
Yep.
Yeah.
I guess the volatility is so big right now because those channels are pretty wide.
Right.
One
Yeah.
DV, you see how big they're pretty big.
Yeah. A nice little profit once you catch it.
Yeah, exactly.
Do you
What I like
measure
about
the VWAP?
no, so there's the VWAP and there's like the +1, +2, and +3. It's based on, again, what I like about the VWAP, it's almost like the Keltner channel. It's dynamic, so it really adjusts itself to the volatility of the market. Like who was I telling that? It basically, if you plot that VWAP deviation levels on a 10-minute chart, it will be the same if you use the tick chart. It'll plot the same levels. Because it's not based on periodic. Like most indicators are based on periodic, like moving averages. Because if you look at moving averages, they're based on number of bars look back, right? Like for example, 256 look back. So each bar would be different based on a time frame, like 5-minute or 15-minute. So the number of bars that you look back when it says they're 256 are different for each time frame. Now, if you base the VWAP, they don't look at what they call periodic. It's more of a dynamic. It adjusts to the volatility, more of the volatility in the volume of the market. That's why you can plot it in any type of chart. It'll still be the same level.
Okay. Is it on Ninja?
Yeah, they have one. It's called Order Flow VWAP. If you have a lifetime license. What I
Okay.
give my students, that other one, if they don't have the lifetime license, I have another one that's free. It's exactly the same thing, but it's free. Right now, they're not even getting past this, what we call the 1.25, 1.5. Yeah. So here, I'll show you a picture. I'll show you a picture here. Let me share this screen so you know what I'm looking at and what Ish looks at too. So, or even Karen and Leah, they use the same thing. So here, so this is, can you see my picture? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So here, so this range right here, let me take my thing here because I'm not going to be trading. I'll probably buy a Apex. So here from this point, here's this teal small one here, that's the +1 deviation. Now you get down further down here, this is what we call the 0.5 deviation. And right here, we now have the VWAP. You see how wide it is. That means there's a lot of volatility in the market. So usually these bars from here to here, that's pretty wide. I mean, see, and they've been keeping it within that range. This is basically, you have the +1 deviation, you have the +125, and you have the +0.75. And then down here, you have the +5. Here you have the plus 0.25, and then you have the VWAP. Right
Yeah.
there. Right there's the VWAP.
What is you doing?
And so right now that they're just keeping it within this band right here. That's what they're doing. They did bring it down at this point. They tested what? They tested the 0.5 deviation, and then they brought it back up. They didn't really get down here to the VWAP. They've been keeping it up here. And usually when that happens, it's going to range. And you can see what it's doing right now. They're just ranging it. Going up and down this channel right there. From here to here. There's your deviation, and just going up and down.
Yeah.
Have a good one, Robert.
All right, coach.
So I am just gonna wait, buy another Apex and see if we can pass it during the lunch. Just now
I
they're
don't
all,
like-
yeah, because now they're having that one-time fee, right, for their
Yeah, for all the accounts.
yeah, for PAs. Man, I'd take that.
Yeah, all the accounts are 85.
Yeah. I mean, I just a videotape, I take that because right now I don't see anything there, anyone there that's offering a PA for 85. Maybe, like my funded futures, but you have a daily loss limit, which really restricts you sometimes.
Hey, Coach, I heard in the video that they hired a host of people
Mhm.
and they automating the review process. Well,
Well,
not
let's
the review
see.
process.
They're speeding it up. So let's see. That's what they said last time. Let's see how
Right.
fast it is. So that's why with this PA I have right now, I'm gonna test it out.
All right, let us know.
That's what they said last time. What happened? Yeah, the approval was short, but by the time you receive your payout, it's another 2 weeks.
Oh, dang, really? Wow.
Yeah, another 14 days.
Oh, wow.
But again, I got paid, so I'm not complaining, just as long as they pay.
Right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's the whole key. Getting
Yeah.
paid.
Yep.
Well, I'm finally getting consistent with my trade, so hopefully I'll get a payout soon.
Yeah, cheering for you, Stefani.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's been a while. I mean, I've learned from watching you and Leia, and
Yeah.
yeah, I've been through the headaches.
I'm with you, man. I'm right behind you.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video regarding because I got another one, so I got another Lilu one, or not Lilu, Bullnox. So I'll probably get that certificate either tomorrow or the following day. So I got now with 2 Bullnox, and I'll be creating a video stating my journey ever since I got separate, unexpected termination from Sikatna. And it did affect me in my mental, my trading mentality. And it was hard for me to pass an evaluation. I lost all my PAs because of that, and also trying to pass an evaluation was just tough. I mean, I go, what am I doing wrong? And it's really a mental thing. So
Yeah,
now, and you see Karen the same way. Now she's bringing back to where she was before, and me and her talked, and I said, yeah, that's what it is. And now I'm getting my back to what I've been doing over there before. We're getting passing evaluations and getting funded as well. So hopefully, restoring my mental state of trading. Hopefully that, and like I said, I can just leave the past behind. That's all I can do, and not dwell on it and just look forward. And that's what I'm planning to do with this Kingdom trading, whatchamacallit, KFC. No, KFC is the chicken. KTC. I must be hungry.
You got me hungry for a little bit there.
KTC.
now I want some chicken.
Yeah.
Dom, you hungry? Are you
Yeah.
hungry?
Yeah. I haven't had my dinner yet, so
Hey, coach, to be honest with you, when that
Yeah.
whole thing went down, it affected me too. I was like,
I
what
think
the
affected,
frick?
yeah, affected everyone, I think, because people were texting me, and in fact, mostly it affected a lot of the like Leah, everyone, the coaching, Leah and Karen, myself included. So we're getting restored, and just leave that in the past, and that's it. We can only move forward, and that's about it. We can't dwell on that,
Absolutely.
you know.
Hmm.
And I'm just glad the people who joined here, right? I'm happy. I mean, I'm really happy. And I really I have a lot of gratitude for you guys. I know Ish has been following me around, so is Alan. So Fenny, you finally, yeah, I see. So Fenny, before he was lurking in the background all the time. So now he's up front.
Yeah. I'm like, what is this guy up to? What is he all about?
So
I just appreciate you trying to help everybody. So
yeah, and that's what it is. And it's about helping to see how they can see the market, because really the best way to trade the market is by price action. Now, not like once you see this type of market like this, when it's not honoring anything, you don't trade. You can't be forcing a trade. You'll just end up
Right,
like,
right,
like-
yeah.
you can see what I did with this evaluation. It just basically blew an evaluation because I'm trying to force a trade. Hey,
Yeah.
Keisha, good night. Did you trade today, Keisha? Did you trade at all, or were you green? Keisha was doing pretty good.
Hmm.
Well, anyways, yeah, that's what I want to teach the. Oh wow, green. Okay, on your sim, that's good. You see, I blew my account, so just as long as you're green, everyone's green. That's the most important thing. If you can do better than me, then that's great. Yeah, and the most important thing is to see the price action, and with this with little as less indicators that you can use. But again, the indicators are basically training wheels to see the price action. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm not
Yeah.
gonna have you have to buy or lease the indicators. Again, all these indicators are free source, so they're free everywhere. So I just happen to use the right ones, and that's what I present you guys, and so you can see how the price action. And I can see you guys are doing pretty good. Good night, Cherry. Did you trade, Cherry? And some students are really catching on and seeing it. Like, for example, who do I see here? I know that Dale, did well. Wow, you made 2,000. Emil,
Wow.
2,300.
When
You
did he
know,
do that? Wow.
No, Dom, I think
Oh.
it's about the wideness of my stop loss. My stop loss is,
Yeah.
it
No,
traverses the whole channel,
yeah. No, you need
It
to
was just bouncing back and forth. right?
exactly. No, I think
Yeah.
you're right, because, and like I said, remember I told you, you need to have a wider stop loss, because first of all, the channel is really narrow, so you can actually have your stop loss that wide, because it's really narrow. So yeah, you did a good
Right,
thing
yeah.
about that.
Yeah, actually, it went down. I made a mistake, but
Mm.
I was doing like about 4,000. When I showed it to Marco, Marco was saying, "Dad, you're doing." I said, "Well, how I wish this was the eval, right?" Okay. 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 Good night,
No,
guys.
good night. Good night. Good job. Well, here, Cherry did the same thing. She got thousands in sim. Man, you guys are doing good. Good night, Cherry. And that's what you need, especially this type of market, because the wild swings. You need a wider stop loss. And I think he was right. Emil said it's really, since the upper and lower bands are really narrow, you can actually do that. Once it bounces off here, you stop it, then just let it go. Yeah, so that's the thing, and I'll be creating a video about that. Because now I'm gonna be more. You'll see more of my face and in videos, so that people can at least relate to a face rather than just voice me on the thing here, and that's what I'm offering is really the community. A lot of people are asking me if they can join the trading community. Because just like our spiritual walk, we can't do it our by ourselves. We have to be in a community. We have to be in some type of fellowship, a trading fellowship in this case, where we can
Yeah, that
bounce
is
things-
true. Because I trade a lot better when in a group.
Right. I think everyone does.
Yeah.
I know Ish does. Even though he's working, I know he's trading. He can just hear our voices.
You got that right.
So yeah. I know Ed, he's finally happy to be in a community, right, Ed? Oh, he must be working. I know I haven't seen Ed in a long time, ever since we went to Sikatna, but we're back here and he's in the trade room. So yes, community is very important. San, you'll be trading lunch? That's I'm assuming since you're quiet.
Yeah, coach. What was that? What was that, coach?
Oh, you're gonna be trading lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, as you would say, like I've just been observing the market the past
Right.
these stuff out, and as you would say, the best position is no position. I'm just going,
Right, exactly.
not being part of the volatility. I'm just watching.
Yeah, good. Did you make money on lunch like yesterday?
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, good. Nice.
I just wait for the trends during
Yeah.
the lunch.
Good job. So where are we here? Yeah, we're finally breaking off that +1 deviation range. Now we're hitting the prior day high, which is right there, right here. Is it my marker there? Wonder where
I
my
just
prior-
got that run, coach.
You got that? Yeah.
Yeah, 700 on my PA. I'm done on that one.
Wow, 700 in your PA?
Yeah, I
Good
scale in
job.
one contract. So 2 contracts. I made 700, and that little short runner. I'm done on my Apex. It was
Good job.
a good run. Yeah, nice
Good
little run.
job. Is that you said that was a 50K, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have 2 days on that now, so I should be up like 1,200
Good.
profit.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, just as long as you average around between 400 minimum, that's good. We'll just keep that.
Yeah.
Easy. If you do
Yeah, yeah.
400, 10 days, that's 4,000. You're well past above you only
Yeah.
need what, 3,000, right?
3,000. Yeah,
3,100 or something like that.
yeah. So, yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
As I get closer, I'll check up on that. But what my one and done for today on my
Great job.
Apex.
Good job.
I'm stuck with Lilo though. I'm gonna still trade it.
Yeah, do it. That's more long term.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Just do 100 what is that? 25K or 50K?
50. I'm a 50 guy.
Then if you do that for 30 days, you just have to do 200,
Yeah,
and that's easy for you.
yeah. Oh gosh, for sure.
Just
One
a wink of
trade.
just a wink. Yeah, just a wink of the eye. You're done.
Yeah, I gotta say my just watching you and over time my psychology has changed. I'm
Nice.
not on a tilt anymore. I'm
Yeah.
just like waiting it out,
Yeah.
and as they say, patience.
Yeah.
PAY.
As in
Patience
pay,
really
right.
pays off. It pays off.
No pun intended.
Right, no pun intended. Yeah. Thank God. I'm
Good
hoping
job.
to get there.
Yeah, good job. I'll be celebrating with you once you get past there.
Yeah, I'll tell you one day, Don, we will meet and we're gonna party.
For
The whole
sure.
gang. The
For
whole
sure.
gang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And party, we're talking about non-alcoholic, right? No.
Oh yeah. I don't drink alcohol.
I don't either. So
Yeah.
I'm allergic to it.
Yeah.
No,
I
seriously.
don't like it.
Yeah,
I
good.
don't like it.
Yeah.
It's
Nice.
not good for the
Yep.
body anyway.
Yeah. Good.
Just
Ah,
make sure you have good Filipino food. That's all I say.
yeah. Hey, Stefani, come out here as well.
Heck yeah. You should set something up. I'll come to the Philippines.
Yeah. In fact, I'll be talking to, I don't know if Cortez is here. Cortez, and also, I don't know if you met, he's not a trader. Alex is the guy who does his creatives for me. He's from the US as well, but he's now here. And he's doing all my creatives right now. That's another guy. He's another whatchamacallit, a brother in Christ, so we're all there. Hey,
Yes,
to,
sir.
to answer Dale's question, how long is it? Yeah, you can get it by tomorrow, Dale. If you pass it today, you'll get it by tomorrow. But in fact, not tomorrow, but you're in the US, right? So you'll get it by when do they close? Around 9 p.m. or something like that. Yeah, you're gonna get it later to this evening. You can get it. They'll email you. Okay, Dale. They do it pretty fast. That's what I like about Apex. Yeah, right now
Alright.
they just nothing's going on here.
Order submitted.
So let me see. Ish, you got your profit target. I know
Yeah.
Sofany got his as well. I know Ed has. Look. Hey Justine, did you trade at all? Were you able to get your chart up again?
Yes,
You did
sir.
too. Yeah, good
I'm
job.
green.
Good job, Justine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let me know when you start your evaluation when you're ready. Maybe give it another week. If you're consistent like that, we can start it off. Kasi may sale. 90% off. Okay?
Until when po yung sale?
Ano pa?
Until when is the
The
sale?
sale?
Yeah.
For Apex, September 15th, I think.
11.
Yeah.
Film.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Marco, your dad
Thank
did
you.
a lot better. Yeah. The other one with Buellnox, where it's only what 800 pesos. That one is until I believe also September 15th. They're matching, but they're 90% off rather than 80% off. Yeah, Marco was pretty tough. Oh, look at me, I blew my account. So your dad was really can't believe he made that much money. I'm happy for him. But Marco, you've been doing pretty good. So, this was a tough market. There was really no market structure at all. So hard, especially for a beginner. So don't take it so hard. Look at me, I blew my account. Okay. Let's see how the market goes. Well, tomorrow's Friday, so it might be even more weird. End of the week. Okay. But don't take it too hard. I think you've been doing pretty good. You and San have been doing pretty well. You guys have been consistent. Yep, that's what it is. It's a journey. So with that said, I'm gonna let you guys go since look at it. We're not even getting anywhere here. Oh, hold on. Let me just update my chart here. It's off. There we are. It's not moving. Okay, there we are. Oh yeah, I was looking for this prior day high. That's what it did. And now it's just kind of slowed down. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Hey Alan, Alan, are you green? You must be at work. Yeah. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. And now here comes the drive. Where they bring the look at this. They're bringing it down to let me see they test now finally. See they finally test the view up there at the -1 deviation right now. Okay, see you guys. Let's see if I can get another Apex. Bye, Justine. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Stay safe.
Bye, Coach.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Bless you.
God bless.